trendybeats.com.
Yeah. Yeah. I do this for my family and then I do messy wonderma. Do it for the fans and I that to nyemu to nyobona. First and I hot and working my mother busy border. Afternoon I got the moon and send the rock on nyobona. I do it for the hustlers and I talk on Rasata. The guys go away, Makakuko Hano Bakata. What's in my street and my back on Doctor Nafia Baba. Boy, you may leave it go on Nabo, no to nature. I do it for the money can knock at us, walk on. Do it at the hit and for the just go what about. Man for my mom and why tell me Belufuma. Man for me, Puna can be busy. I do it for my brothers in our boy in Uguausa. Kologi Fana for Manako Kada from Kocha. Boniface on Obodo, Kitabuzono Boho, or the Nakamansava, Kitabuzono Kuku, Obiman and Loroma, Echazibu Wokoko, Emankui Okufo, Chairman on Nemo Ono, Onemum Otaya Joya in Afuquirum Pito, Makamwagini Ruali Fenaro Bolu two people. I do this for the dogs I watch and listen on Manga Fair, and all the girls of Papa Time, Bo Wujimo number fair. Injideka Stephanie, Amarana Kambili, Mobana Kefeini, Masilune Kwechiri. I do it for the test, I never sometimes I'm go on bia. Do it for the guys in a pass and I go Koboba. Messin and Yama singing on the Manding Wachamobia. Amandibu Munis in a Quaro Candilo Chemota. I do it for the Namaron if I want to be Sinkumi. I'm an Ajo con what if I not Tony Rugube. Kina Judene, Ibudene, Igerio Zudene. Ola Ubuntu Metas, whoever Lord Webube. I do it just to prove it's bigger than all of y'all. Onokubu say I'm done, Jono Kanapana call. Emeleno Melani, Defa Canazona Mall. I do it for the love, bitches and when I'm done.
I do this for Lil Ricky, my future, that nigga born to fly. Do this for my Diddy, that nigga came out of Morningside. Do this for my haters, they made me greater. The hornet's nest I was born, it was haunted. Yes, I still balance the borderlines. It's for my niece who won't never know what it means to be severed from family ties and be thrown in a hole with thieves. Over a gold medallion was stolen, they hoping keys jingle and they get to mingle in open air with open breeze. I do this for my pistol, a virgin ready to fuck it up. For my Uncle Rich when I cried, he told me to suck it up. With the ruckus, we knew the chunk and bucket, we knuckle up. Life a roller coaster, best keep a toaster and buckle up. This for the circle park in the park where the grass is greener. Whether she chocolate or a bad Latina. This for the women who acknowledge God inside and she polished but down the right. If they pull me over, she hold the Nina. This for my ancestors sold into slavery, enduring the unspoken while tightly holding their babies. That's another level of strength that I got in my veins. I swear we not in the same league. I'm magic in the 80s. I'm average in no way, I'm savage. I obey the almighty, only can't hold me. I'm Kyrie, Kobe, and Toby. I'm likely to run away and come back with a chunky 40. Ready to blow at any moment. Pay me what you owe me, bitch. Listen, this pa' la gente que me apoyaron, que no me dejaron cuando otros me castigaron. Y ahora que todo va según mi plan, están en plena vista tratando fumar la pipa con reyes with bright tomorrows. A sight to see if they fighting me, they should fight at Charlo. This for the lions in my pride puffing Cuban cigarros. This for the future generations that just need that inspiration. Let them know we got them, kid, what you need in the borough. Hey, this for my Inglewood, the Bay down to LA and every single hood. They love to watch me fight just like an eagle should. Cause when I do good, we do good. So
extraordinaire.
More music on trendybeats.com.